Hello peeps, happy Tuesday, welcome back to the sewing room. It is just gone midday. I am trying to decide if I get those t-shirts cut out or if I just work on the two projects that I have got cut out already. I'm thinking, oh, I don't know. Let's go on with the shirt dress because I really want to get that done for Friday, and I'm sure I can get it done today, but just let's get on with the shirt dress and then the top, and then I can cut out the t-shirts later on this week if I have time, because I've also got the border print jumpsuit to do and hemming the Rixo dress. That's definitely had enough time to hang. Yeah, dress time. Let's sew some dresses. Okay, before I start sewing, I have some lovely new Patreon peeps to say hello to, and I'm semi-prepared. 2 secs. Help if I was connected to the internet. The very lovely Jennifer Keast has joined the Patreon peeps, so hello Jennifer and welcome. The lovely Catherine Rowley-Williams has joined the Patreon peeps, so hello and welcome Catherine. Jacqueline Ann Smith has joined the Patreon peeps, so welcome Jacqueline, thank you very much. Sarah Jolicoeur has joined the Patreon peeps, welcome, thank you, and I hope I pronounced your name semi-correctly. And last but definitely not least, the lovely Yamina has also joined the Patreon peeps, so welcome and thank you very much. And if you'd like to know more about Patreon, there is a link in the description down below. Okay, so I need to cut out some interfacing for this shirt dress, waistband, collar stand, collar and button plackets, I would imagine. Yeah, I think I've got enough of that left. I'm down to my last little bit. I know that Susan said that it has arrived in the UK, so fingers crossed the new 6 meters that she has sent me will arrive very soon. But I should have enough to do this top and also the shirt dress that I'm going to be working on today. Fingers crossed.
One eternity later.
Dress is finished and I think I really like it. And my battery's dying. Of course it is. That's better. Yes, dress is done. I am not going to give you much more of a sneaky peek than this because you will be seeing the video, the full review video for this coming out on Friday. I really like it though. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It definitely has the Zimmerman pink dress vibes. I didn't have enough fabric to cut out sleeves, but I'm kind of glad that I didn't because I do think I prefer it sleeveless. Although I have cut out the long sleeves and I can see myself making a long sleeved version that I then either roll the sleeves up or wear in the cooler months. I definitely needed to add the 6 inches of length in the skirt because it's probably only just long enough for my preferences. I am glad that I've leveled out the skirt hem as well because the hangy hem, whilst cute, is not really me. But the thing that is surprising me the most is how much I like the yoke over the top of my hips. But again, you will be seeing that properly on Friday, so tomorrow for you guys. Yeah, tomorrow because it's Tuesday today. I'll get there eventually. Very, very pleased with this. I really like how it's come out. I didn't have enough of the teeny tiny coconut buttons to do all of them, so I went for teeny tiny coconut buttons on the pocket flaps and the belt loops down here, and then I went for my larger coconut shell buttons for the rest of it, and I think that actually kind of works. I think I'm quite pleased with it. So yeah, this was quite a lot of fun to make actually. I said this before, I said this when I finished the Matilda, I do love a shirt dress. And this is a good one. There will be more of these. I haven't traced out the straight skirt portion of it. I've only traced out the yoke and then the bottom yoke sort of circular, bigger, fuller skirt portion of this dress because I don't think I will ever make the straight skirted version. That's not really very me. But this one with the swirl on the bottom is definitely very me. So I hope you enjoy the video tomorrow. It will, like I say, it'll be out on Friday evening. The only thing I might change is maybe I might have lined it in something like Savannah, maybe, possibly, but I'm glad that I have fully lined it because it does feel nice. This fabric is just a little bit scratchy, but the fully lining it has made it feel a lot more pleasant, which is good because we all know that if a dress feels unpleasant then I tend not to wear them. Right, so I'm going to go and get myself some dinner because I am hungry, and I'll be back down tomorrow to sew the grasser top and then more than likely cut out those t-shirts because I think I'll have time. So I hope you've enjoyed what I have filmed today, which is probably just waffling at you this morning and this, but the rest and the details of this dress will be coming out tomorrow. So I shall see you then. Bye! Hey peeps, welcome back to the sewing room. It is Wednesday. I am going to be working on the grasser top today. I should be able to get it done, and I have planned my outfit accordingly. I have a skirt on that should work really nicely with that top, and it's going to be interesting to see how that one comes out. I have also managed to get through my inbox and answered all of my emails, so if you were expecting an email from me, fingers crossed you have received it. If you were and you haven't received one, then your message has got lost in the ether, and that does happen on occasion. Either resend it or send me a new message. But yes, I have got through my inbox, which is awesome. I absolutely love how yesterday's dress turned out. I can't wait for you to see the video on Friday. It's obviously a very loose interpretation of the Zimmermann dress, but I really like how the actual finished product has come out. I'm very, very pleased with it, so that's good. Right, okay, so less waffle, more sewing. Let's get this grasser top made. I'm not overly looking forward to working with this fabric, but it's going to be lovely to wear once it's done, so there's that. Yes, let's get sewing.
6.5 hours later.
Well, it's definitely different. I think I like it. I'm not 100% sure. sleeves on this thing are giant and basically get attached at the waistline basically, so they're kind of weirdly restrictive. Maybe with the elastication over my elbows slightly better. I do think I like it though. I did put on the little ties. I like the little frill around the neckline. I think that's pretty. I have got it on with one of my skirts that are now slightly too big for me, so I'm thinking that this might be better if the waist was properly defined. I also think this would be better with maybe not quite so much volume on the hips that this skirt provides with these giant pockets. I like the colour. I have managed to cut it out with a stain on one of the top fronts of one of these pieces, but you know what, never mind. This definitely cannot be worn with a waistcoat because of the way that the sleeves, or at least I don't think it could be comfortably worn with a waistcoat. Yeah, the sleeves come down to the waist. I find that very odd, but it's definitely pirate, and I'm gonna have some fun trying to style it for the lookbook that you should be seeing on Saturday. Yeah, it's an interesting one. I'm glad I've made it because I love the red one on the model on the website. Sorry, the neighbour's doing his lawn. I do really love the red one. I'm glad that I've tried it. I'm not sure I'm going to make any more of these, but I do think it's an interesting top. And actually, how long is it if I untuck? I'm wondering if it could maybe be like a beach cover-up kind of thing. Possibly no. It's just slightly too short, but that is, maybe if I lengthened it, maybe it would have been an option, but obviously like too late now. And I also really struggled to cut this fabric out. I do think it needs to be defined at the waist, so yeah. It was an easy sew. I enjoyed it. Not sure I'll wear it, but I'm glad that I've tried it. Anyway, it's 5 o'clock, so I'm going to call it a day, I think. I will come down tomorrow. I have an appointment to get my eyelashes done tomorrow. They're looking awful at the moment, so I'm trying to keep far away from you guys so you can't see how bad they are. It's been 3 weeks. So I've got that in the morning. Then I might come down tomorrow and cut out some t-shirts and see if I can get the t-shirts sewn up, because I would like to get those done. And it's the cutting out that's going to be the lengthy part. The sewing of them, you know, is like 40 minutes each, and then the drape top maybe a little bit longer. So yeah, we shall see. Oh, I got some happy mail from Susan. The interfacing arrived. She sent me 6 meters of the 30 GSM one, and then she's also sent me another one to try, which is slightly heavier weight. So thank you very much, Susan. And it came with a really lovely card as well, so that was really nice of you. Thank you very much. The Australian interfacing, the details for it will be in the description down below, and they're always on the Peeps group. I think Tatiana, who sells it, is moving to a larger premises, so as soon as the address changes I will update that on the Peeps group as well. Words are hard. Words are really hard. So I'm gonna run up to, why can't I speak today? I'm gonna run up to the main house. I'm gonna get some dinner, and then I might come back down and do a little bit more in a bit, because I've got some more things to show you, and I don't know. We'll see. Words are hard. It's a little bit later on. I've just made Mum and Dad and myself dinner. We had steak salads and they were delicious. I had to go and get the steak and the salad, but yum. And I have brought down all the clothes that I've made so far this month for the lookbook video, which hopefully will be going live to you guys on Saturday. I have also got a pile of fabric from the fabric room, none of which is green. I'm not going to show you these two in too much detail because the fabric haul is going to be coming out the first Friday in August, so a week next Friday. Yeah, I think that's right. But I am gonna film that tomorrow or the day after. Not sure yet. No, I think tomorrow I'm gonna make those t-shirts. I am gonna do those t-shirts, and then filming on Friday. That's the plan. But yes, so I've got the grey melange, the ivory crinkle viscose, the denim blue melange, the river, what was it called? River blue viscose voile, and then black viscose crepe. So these all need to be washed and checked before they go in the wash to see if it is my washing machine that is eating them. A lot of you guys were just like, well, why would it only be those fabrics? I don't know. It's not the green viscose royal was not the first time that it's happened. The other time was the red viscose Americaine that I got from them as well. So it might be my machine. It might be that I'm just not noticing the stains on prints, possibly, but the little holes, maybe. I don't know. So I need to check all these before they go in to be washed, and then check them when they come out and see how they have fared. But I'm very happy with all of these colours, and like I say, you'll be seeing the plans for these in just over a week's time, so that's good. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a night now and go and do some editing, because there's a lot of editing to do. Sit with Chi, watch some Stargate Atlantis. I'm halfway through season 2. Finish Stargate SG1, watching seasons 1, 2, 3 of Atlantis, so that I can then watch Continuum and Arc of Truth, and then seasons 4 and 5 of Atlantis, and then Universe. Yes, I'm trying to do it in sort of somewhat of an order. I should really have been watching seasons 1 through 3 of Atlantis at the same time as I was watching 8 through 10 of Stargate, but my little brain doesn't cope very well with that kind of thing, so I know there's some crossovers, and yeah, at the moment Rodney's hallucinating Samantha Carter. Ooh, some of my patches have started to arrive. Some of them are a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be, but it's going to be fine. I will find room on that jacket for them, and if it means that I need to make another jacket in the future to fit more patches on, so be it. But I will again wait to show those to you until they've all arrived, and also that's going to be October's fabric haul, because October is going to be my geeky fabric month. Yeah. But it's been a good day. I'm still not sure about that top. I'm going to try and style it a couple of different ways. I think I might like it with the tight jeans and a chunky belt. I think that might look quite good. I think. We'll see. I think it needs to be kind of more streamlined on the bottom, big on the top. But then the girl in the picture with the red top on is wearing quite a voluminous grey skirt, and she looks awesome. I don't know. Maybe I just need to get used to it. It's a very different silhouette for me, isn't it? So anyway, yes, I'm literally just waffling at you now, so I will say goodnight. I hope you've enjoyed the last couple of days. I'm really pleased with both the things that I have got sewn so far. We'll be back down here tomorrow to get those t-shirts cut out and hopefully get those completed. Like, see if I can sew 3 t-shirts in a day. I'm sure I can. I just need to cut them out as well. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Anyway, yes, stop waffling. Say goodnight. See you tomorrow. Bye.